What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Wide Body Nation. We got a drone, the Mavic Air 2 with the Fly More combo so that we can get more sweet car footage and other stuff for you guys. Just a quick reminder that we are giving away a set of Apple AirPods Pro at 5,000 subscribers. So go ahead and turn that subscribe button from red to gray. It automatically enters you to win these $250 headphones for free. The drawing is at 5,000 subscribers on our weekly live stream. So we have our STI S209 here. We have this carbon fiber spoiler. It's carbon fiber. I'll show you guys closer later. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this, and then I'm gonna tell you why I went with the Mavic Air 2 instead of the very popular Mavic Mini 2 made by the same company, DJI. So check this out. Got the Fly More combo. Let's go ahead and start opening it up. All right, we're gonna put the box under the spoiler. Plenty of room there. Comes with what looks to be some instruction action here, and then the actual bag itself. So we're gonna go ahead and get that out. Go ahead and put this down there. Put this up here. We're gonna go ahead and leave this for the end. So we'll put that all the way to the right, and we will open up the case. So case opens from the top. Now it is a nice case. It has the kind of like a pseudo carbon fiber look to it. You can see it with the shine there. Looks good. Can go satchel style if you so choose. Pull out the drone itself first. Pretty light, honestly. So the drone itself comes with a bunch of stickers on it, comes with the protective part for the gimbal. I've heard you're not supposed to fly with this on, so we will go ahead and remove that before we do any actual filming. And then it also comes with one battery on it itself. But we're just gonna leave that for now. Boom. Go ahead and turn it around for you guys so you can see the camera there. All right, next thing is gonna be the big accessories part. We've got one battery. We've got a piece of foam, two batteries. So we're up to 3 batteries now, which is why we got the Fly More combo, one of the main reasons. We have the battery charger, which I'll get the plastic off in a second. Hold on. Then we've got the converter for the charger. Go ahead and pop that there. That is it for this box. So we'll go ahead and put that with the other boxes. Let's see what else we got. Looks like we have the remote. I will get the plastic off in a second. And then we got to start digging in pockets here, folks. So we're gonna go in the top pocket right here, and we're gonna start pulling stuff out. Looks like we have the other part to the charger. So we'll put that, scoops, right there with that. We have the lens covers. I think they're like the IR filters. I'm sorry, this is my first time with the drone, people. Stop freaking out. Put those right here. We've got the converter so that you can convert DJI battery power to whatever you want. It's got like a USB converter, so that's helpful at times. We've got USB-C to normal USB right there. And then we have our joysticks for the remote controller. And we have I believe these are the different adapters to hook up with the remote controller. I owe you guys an answer on that. All right, so it looks like our case is totally empty. Bam, bam, bam. Anything in the secret pocket back here? Doesn't feel like it. All right, so the case is right here. Put that at the end now. And lastly, we will open up this pamphlet right here. And I just kind of ripped the box, so that is a good job on my part. And let's see. All right, so we got, looks like, I think some propellers in here because the Fly More combo comes with extra propellers. One set of propellers, And directions that we will not read are dropped on the ground. And then more propellers. Go ahead and pop these boxes with the other boxes. So why did I get the Fly More combo instead? Well, I got the Fly More combo for one reason. Then why did I get the Mavic Air 2 instead of the Mini 2? Because that Mini 2 has a lot of good features. Well, let me go ahead and unwrap these for you guys, and then I will go ahead and explain that. So they'll be unwrapped. All right, so we've got our drone right here. I didn't do much to the drone as far as unboxing it or anything, unwrapping it, but we've got our drone. We've got batteries right here. Again, they're the same battery that comes on there. We've got our triple charging deck right here. Got the converter for the battery to actually go from wall power to battery power. Then I got the little joysticks on here for the remote. The remote feels nice. It looks really boxy and like not very ergonomic, but it actually fits in the hand pretty well. So looking forward to using that. Again, you hook up your cell phone at the top. We'll have to go through another video on that when we're getting our first car footage. Anybody peeping this nice carbon fiber there? Got the paint protection on it. Anyway, we've got our IR lens filters. If I'm calling them the wrong thing, I do apologize. First time with the drone. Then we got our converter that allows us to use these as basically power banks in and of themselves, so I can actually charge my phone with that. That is cool. We've got our USB-C connector, and we have adapters. I believe these are for the remote, so they go in here in case you don't have an iPhone. I believe the standard setup is with the lightning cable for the iPhone, so we can leave that right here. And then we've got propellers on propellers. I believe you only need 4 for the drone, so we got 4 right here, then 2, and there's 6 more in here, so we got enough propellers to go ahead and crash the drone 2 times for a full propeller replacement. All right, and then we got our bag right here. Again, the bag's got a nice little pattern on it in some spots, and then obviously got enough room for pretty much everything with the drone, so I do appreciate that. If you guys did notice, we got our Wide Body Nation labels, decals for the S209. Got our STI S209 down here, doing great stuff. And that is about it, folks. I will have more drone videos coming up. We have lots of content to film with the C8, with the upcoming 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body red eye, 797 horsepower. Gonna be a lot of burnouts coming. The modifications to this car to bring it up from about 350 to 500 horsepower are also coming soon, and obviously more videos on drones as well. I appreciate you guys tuning in. The reason I went with this one, well, it's because it's got the auto tracking, and if I'm going solo out to do some car footage, well, I need this guy to be able to follow me, right? Because it's got the auto tracking feature. If I'm, calling it the wrong thing, whatever, but I need this thing to be able to follow me around at low speeds, and the Mini just doesn't do that right now, at least. So that is why I went with this. Also, it's got the collision avoidance. It's got a little bit, stronger motors. It deals with the weather a little better. So overall, I thought it was the better play. I am gonna have to learn how to do some of this drone stuff since it's my first time, but appreciate you guys tuning in. Looking forward to getting some crazy footage from the skies to you guys. Appreciate you tuning in. Stay safe out there, and I will see you for the next video.